City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
Born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's confines, and my love when it's center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's foggy.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You like my new glasses? Try to go for something a little out there. Super obnoxious. Green and aqua frames. So these just arrived this morning, and this is the winter collection merch that we've been waiting on since, well, early Feb, basically. So like I said, the reason why this took so long to get here is because we had to opt for a different shipping option, which was by sea instead of air. It's just the world after the pandemic has been prioritizing what gets sent out and delivered using shipping methods by air and by ground and by sea. We had to do it by sea, which took almost a month and a half. But the merch is here, so now we're just gonna use the rest of maybe later today to start fulfilling the orders. So you guys who have been waiting on the merch so patiently, finally get your stuff. We're not keeping this stuff to ourselves, okay? There's no point for us to do that. Boxes, and I opened 3 of them up already. Here are the Ape hoodies, which actually have the gold sleeve. This guy. And we got the neon green ones as well as the neon pink jackets, and we've taken our branding up a notch and started putting labels inside them. Plus, it actually stopped snowing outside and it looks like the sun's coming out. We'll probably start fulfilling all the orders later when I get back from the garage, but today's plan, finish up the Celica. So we'll see you guys at the garage. Alright, so before we get started on the wrapping on the Celica, if you guys didn't already know, I'm trying to get rid of my ZR10s. We actually ended up picking up the exact set that we wanted in the first place, which are the Sarcees. They're a little more aggressive fitting. We're gonna throw those on so that we can get the ZR10s ready for the buyer who's coming tomorrow. This one actually really looks good on a stock body. It's just we're not gonna keep this thing stock body. Chupapi mo na niyo. I'm going down. Yeah, we can lower it.
It's a fender roller too. Yo, if you went lower, that would be perfect.
Yeah, if it just kept going, that would have been the perfect tuck.
I was just watching it and it looked like it was gonna go in like this.
Just
and
keep
shit.
going, yeah.
Like, oh.
The goal is to have this touching this.
Yeah, and then you cover the fenders with slabs because you don't want to see the bacon.
But yo, think about that, man. If we add that much to there, we're gonna be like scraping on the front bumper.
That's the point.
I guess. Man, yeah, that would look so good if it just kept going.
Yeah, if it just kept
keep
going,
going and keep going. Okay, maybe we'll lower the RXA a little more. But I still want to be able to drive it around. But it's not even ours.
Hell you do.
Yeah. If anything, we'll just fender roll it and lower it some more. But we're gonna be cutting the fenders anyway. Well, that looks good. Like your taxi?
Yeah.
Fake taxi.
Fake tail. Oh my gosh, that's the first thing both of your guys' met. No, it's a nice yellow, dude. The spoon yellow, dude. Pretty much. This is S2000 yellow.
I can't find anything cheap for this. This car's like expensive too.
How do you mean? Like all the parts?
Yeah.
Really? On the front bumper. And the easiest thing to do, and right now I kind of gauged where I'm gonna do the inlays. One is gonna go underneath here. I'm gonna do this part, the middle area on the bottom. This right here is its own really weird ass shape. I'll show you guys my pattern idea for this part. So now once you have this, I separated it right here because that's where we're gonna be doing our cut line. But just carefully peel it off and you should get your shape. Oh yeah. This one inlay down, insanely clean. Yo! I think these are the only pieces that need inlays on the side skirts, just because it's a super high stress area. Like just thinking about when you get to this part, yeah, you're gonna have to like overheat it just to push it in, but to avoid making anything harder for yourself, just inlay. Here we got the front grille area. It's in carbon. We just gotta do that side. Oh, look who showed up! Nice surprise! Hi! Hi! Show mine, let him through. Come on, right here, buddy. Go, Jan. What the? Grab some sushi. Thanks for the sushis. Yeah. Oh, first off, cheers. Oh, cheers. What the hell? Let's see what unfortunately is. You may find your horizon suddenly broadened. Looks so delicious, you can just jump into it. Oh, such a pretty color. Alright, we got one side skirt done, passenger side, and I actually didn't even end up cutting it here to use the inlay. We managed to do this side skirt in one piece. Should have did this earlier. Now that we put the side skirt on, so turn towards me, but slowly. Right there. Oh, okay. We'll just take off the 2-inch spacers and make it easy for ourselves. I think that'll push the wheel in enough so that we clear the side skirt.
This is the start of a new day. Feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out.
Spacers are off. Full lock. Yeah, we're good, dude. Wait, actually, yeah. So much better. You can even get away with like a 10 mil. Once we lower it, I think that's perfect, man. It's flush with the body. And the side skirt's on. Looks so good. We'll finish up the front bumper so we can get that on, and then at least have front half completed, and then all we really have left is the rear bumper, which I'll be starting on the inlays pretty soon here. It's just this is taking so long. And also, I decided to do the bottom of this green just because I wanted to follow our concept as closely as possible. So, if you look here, it's actually green. And then I got black side markers coming in, and also fake Ganador mirrors coming in because they're almost like $1,300 for Ganadors, so no thank you. I'm gonna go grab
a drive shaft.
For?
Just to shaft you?
What the hell? What is this? Just let these guys drive the soups. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Okay, now we're gonna steal your car.
Okay.
Raptor!
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother! So Albertan of you. Dude, honestly, if you played the radio on this and switched through all the channels, it'd probably be like Chinese radio station, Indian radio station, country radio station, and then top 40s. And then just those 4.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Alright, let's connect the Bluetooth because...
Can you put Pornhub on this?
Yeah.
X. Ooh, look at all the toy cars in their lot. Nice.
Not bad,
Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. I've never been here before. Ding, ding, ding. Wow. Fresh set of TEs.
Not really fresh, but...
Oh, not these guys. But they're nice. Slick.
This is why you don't get reps.
What? That's bad. We'll get one for the vlogs, homie.
Thanks, man.
Enjoy. After you.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yep. Slick.
That's dope.
What? Owner of the GTR is a subscriber. Oh man,
He's
that's
getting
dope.
a lap done too. There's a laptop in there.
Yo, getting it tuned right now. All right, man. Yeah, if you want, we can call it even. I still owe you for hours, so you can minus it from whatever I owe you.
Okay, dope.
So, yeah, I can pay you in car parts if you want.
I'd rather that.
All right, we're back home, and actually my plan was to start rearranging some of the boxes, but it looks like Shane already did that for me, so thank you, Shane. So if you guys weren't aware, this is the merch that we released back in late February. This is the winter collection. So what we have, let me just show you guys. These are the prototypes over here, just so I don't have to take them out of the plastic. What you got is this Ape Hoodie, a collaboration with our good friends Ape Auto, local Calgary shop. And what's cool about this one is one sleeve is completely golden nylon. I haven't really seen that before. And then this guy is a little side messenger bag, few pockets. But yeah, good for travel. You like, Gohan? And then this one I'm actually super excited about. This is a hoodie with our friends Bad Bata. This literally translates to bad kid in Tagalog. But yeah, half of it is red, the other half is blue. And on the front, you got the Filipino flag design. And actually, this is the prototype, so the colors are flipped. On the actual version, you got the blue on the left side and red on the right. Because symbolically, this means war, whereas this, if the flag is turned this way and the colors are rearranged like so, that means times of peace. Just another little detail. Thanks for rearranging.
Yeah.
It's already, Shane's actually going through fulfilling some of the orders right now, wasting no time.
This is not whatever they gave us.
Sweet. There's the list. But actually, the majority of this is already sold out. So now that we have all the merch in our hands, the plan is to re-release, actually, for the next few days, we're just gonna do our best to fulfill all of the outstanding orders, get caught up with those, because honestly, we want you guys to have your merch faster than you want it yourselves. And it was kind of sad that they took this long, but the wait is almost over. Whatever we haven't sold, we're gonna be putting back online. We're actually gonna be having a slight restock on all of the merch you see here on May 22nd. So this Saturday, mark your calendars. And actually, we still have a fair amount of regular staple Kmart hoodies. We'll recount everything, make sure we have proper stock, but virtually everything you see here will be put back online. And also, I think pretty good progress on the Celica today, but tomorrow's plan, we're just gonna crush the front bumper and the rear bumper. Those really are the last pieces, and then in a couple of weeks or maybe in a few days we'll get the coilovers, drop it, and then that'll be it. The Celica will pretty much be completed in my eyes anyways, and then that'll be like the perfect daily. Believe it or not, I actually really like driving that thing, so I'm excited to bring it home. But that's it, guys. Appreciate you for watching as always. Subscribe, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next vlog. Ciao. Ciao, ciao. Peace.
The city of mine.
Yes.
It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
What?
Yeah.